Hello, I want to let you know how much I enjoyed the poetry that you wrote in class yesterday and to talk to you today about another form of poetry, and that's called the haiku. The haiku is an ancient Japanese form of poetry. It's several thousands of years old, and examples are available to us that were written by Japanese poets thousands of years ago. A haiku is a very short poem that may seem very simple at first. A haiku has 17 syllables in it, and it's composed of 3 lines. The first line has 5 syllables, the second line has 7 syllables, and the third and final line has 5 syllables. So you can see it seems like it's going to be very easy. But a haiku has 4 goals. It uses light wording, not long fancy words, but short conversational words, words that we would use as if we were speaking to each other directly. But those words are put together to form complex thoughts, and usually we look at nature as a way of expressing those thoughts. Haikus are very much a part of nature, nature being anything from the grass to the trees to food. You'll see when we look at some of the examples. Very important part of a haiku is that it contains a juxtaposition or a contrast. A juxtaposition is comparing or contrasting two things that are total opposites, or two things that you wouldn't think would be the same, like love and your shoe. You would think about ways how your love and your shoe could be similar. A haiku creates an image, an emotion, or empathy from the reader. It brings you in. It makes you feel something or see something. A haiku surprises you because of that juxtaposition, and it is also something that makes you visualize things. So we're going to look at some examples and see what that means. These are some haikus that I wrote for you, and the first is, "The winter lingers, forgotten sunshine and warmth. Snow pelts my windshield." All right, let's look at it. The first line has 5 syllables, the second has 7, and the third has 5. So it's 17 syllables, and it meets that requirement. It talks about nature, winter, snow, sunshine, and warmth, and it juxtaposes sunshine and snow. The second haiku I also wrote, "Meteor shower, elusive as water flows. Fireworks thrill my eyes." I like this one a little bit better because it juxtaposes water and meteors, which you don't normally see together. It gives you an impression of a meteor shower. It is elusive because the meteors are here and gone. Water flowing is here and gone. And it gives, I hope, some emotion because of that word thrill. So a haiku is something that's very simple poem, uses juxtaposition, 17 syllables. Go back over this presentation if you have any questions about the haiku. You're going to be creating and writing your own haikus in class tomorrow. And I wrote you one last haiku. "Homework beckons me like the smell of fresh bread. I will study now."